Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, I thought I would decorate an elegant table for two. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm starting out here with this lovely shade of green. I can't really describe the color, but it is so beautiful. Now I'm starting out here with these chargers that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Now along the back of the table, I have a wood round that I DIY'd. I embellished it all in gems. Totally gorgeous. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Normally it's freestyle unless a guest comes in, and at that point they get to choose what color, style, or theme. Isn't that fun? So these plates were a total surprise for you guys. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I am loving them, and yes, they were a thrifted item. Okay, I got a little carried away. So TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now, if you have any questions regarding TABLESCAPE Tuesdays, make sure I will be linking my email below and you can contact me. So this beautiful gold vase did come in a pair, and that also was a thrifted item. Now, can you believe all of the florals came from the Dollar Tree, and look how beautiful they look. They also carrying lamb's ear. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I finish setting up this table, and I'll see you at the end. Now that beautiful candle holder, the circular one in the center, that I purchased at Dollar Tree. The napkins, believe it or not, were also thrifted, and the tie also came from the Dollar Tree. Now I am done setting this table. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I think this tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.